Yo, what's up everyone? It's David here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of software development. Whether you're completely new to coding or you're thinking about making a career switch, this video is your one-stop shop for everything you need to know to get started. We'll break down the steps, the tools, and the mindset you need to make it as a software developer. So, if you're ready to build the future, let's get started. First things first, you've got to learn the language of the internet, and I'm not talking about emojis. We're talking about programming languages. Now, there are tons of languages out there, but for beginners, I'd recommend starting with something like Python. It's super readable, super versatile, and there are tons of resources available online. Once you've got a handle on the basics of syntax and logic, you can start exploring other popular languages like JavaScript, which is the backbone of the web. Think of it like learning your first spoken language. Once you understand the concepts, picking up new ones becomes way easier. Remember, learning to code takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone starts somewhere, and the most important thing is to just dive in and start writing code. Trust me, the more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. All right. So, you've got the basics down, you're comfortable with the syntax. Now it's time to put those skills to the test and build something real. This is where the real fun begins. Don't worry about creating the next viral app right off the bat. Start small. Think about a simple problem you can solve with code. Maybe it's a basic calculator, a to-do list app, or a simple game. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just needs to work. The key here is to apply what you've learned and get experience in the entire development process, from planning and designing to coding and debugging. And the best part? You'll have something tangible to show off your skills and track your progress. Plus, building projects is the best way to solidify your understanding and discover new areas you want to explore. Chapter 3, Find Your Tribe, the Power of Community. Listen, coding can sometimes feel like you're in a room by yourself, staring at a screen full of cryptic symbols. But trust me, you don't have to do this alone. Joining a community of like-minded individuals, both online and offline, can be a game changer. Think about it, you've got forums like Stack Overflow, online communities dedicated to specific languages, and even local meetups where you can connect with other developers. Being part of a community gives you access to a support system where you can ask questions, get help with those frustrating bugs, and learn from others who have been in your shoes. Plus, you never know, you might even find your next coding buddy or even land your dream job through these connections. Chapter 4, Level Up Your Learning. Now, while self-learning is amazing, and trust me, it's totally possible to become a successful developer without a formal degree, there's definitely value in structured learning environments. We're talking about a traditional computer science degree, or maybe an intensive coding bootcamp. These programs provide a comprehensive curriculum, expert guidance, and often even career support. Plus, having that piece of paper, that degree or certification, can definitely open doors when you're applying for jobs, especially at larger companies. But at the end of the day, the choice is yours. Weigh the pros and cons, consider your personal learning style, and see what fits best with your goals and your lifestyle. And Chapter 5, Never Stop Learning. And finally, the most important thing to remember is that the world of software development is constantly evolving. New languages pop up, frameworks change, and what's considered cutting edge today might be outdated tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to embrace lifelong learning. Stay curious, stay updated with the latest trends, and never be afraid to dive into something new. Follow tech blogs, subscribe to industry newsletters, and keep experimenting with new technologies. Remember, the more you learn, the more valuable you become as a developer. So stay hungry, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with code. Outro, Build the Future. So there you have it, your roadmap to becoming a software developer. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding journey, and trust me, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for sticking with me throughout this video. If you found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below what kind of projects you're excited to build. Good luck on your coding adventures, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.